Today I'm going to show you how I make a balloon arch. So first things first, you're definitely going to want an electric pump. This is the one I have. It's from Amazon. It's a lifesaver. And then from there, I just take all my balloons. I like to organize them a little so it makes my mind think a little bit more. And then I can think about how many of each color I want. When you inflate them, it's important that you don't fully inflate them. Well, you can, but then you want to let out a little air, and I'll show you how I do that here. Okay, so here's your balloon, but you want it to be more rounded instead of like football or lemon shaped, so you kind of let some air out, and that's like the perfect size balloon. And then that way it has more air in it for your balloon arch. So the first thing, of course, you have to do is you have to blow up all your balloons. That's what takes kind of the longest part. So I'm going to go ahead and blow up all those balloons. Okay, now that all the balloons are blown up, before we start that though, let's talk about this thing. It looks like something odd, but it's a lifesaver, and I've never used it before till now, and I wish I've always used it. But basically what you do is you put your fingers in like this, and when you're tying balloons, you wrap it around, and then you just pull, and it's done. And then you don't have blistered fingers. Lifesaver. If your kit comes with one of these, you are blessed. Okay, next is what we're going to do is we're going to put the arch together. This is, you can kind of see it's clear, there we go, a strip thing that comes in a little round up thing, and it has little holes in it for your balloons. So there's tons of different varieties of these, but they all work the same. Basically all you have to do is you put the bottom end of your balloon through that hole, and that's it. That's all you have to do. I like to go top, bottom, so it kind of like switches them. I also don't do one right next to the other, because if you do that, yes, it keeps them tight, but then you're going to get to a point where you can't even put the balloon in on that next part. So I go at a couple and then a couple, and then you can fill in with your glue dots, which I have afterwards. So here we go. I'll start. I'm not really sure how I'm going to do the pattern right now, but we're just going to go, and then I will show you the completed look after. Oh, another side note, leave yourself a little bit of strip so that you can use it as your, to hang it. So, I'll get going on this, and then I'll show you the aftermath.
Now that you've finished putting the balloons into the strip, you're going to hang it up and get it all set up. Then you're going to take these glue dots and take all the small or decorative balloons that you have and glue them onto the balloon arch wherever you see a kind of like a hole, and you're done.